Welcome to DJM TV.
My people, we greet you now. Welcome now once again to DJM TV. My people, after this appeal court judgment, a lot of people don't they come outside do. They go out so wrong, go they pay President Tinubu congratulatory visits. Not be small thing though. Hey. Even Nigeria past president they call Ebele Jonathan. Good luck, Ebele Jonathan. Instead, don't go Asoroko, don't go congratulate President Tinubu for a victory for Supreme Court. Now inside this visit so, now you come grant press conference when you come dey talk say, may all the petitioners dey, all of them like Peter Obi o, Atiku, make dem still call am, make dem come out come congratulate am. Say Naija na one country. Say as e no reach their hands today, make dem congratulate who e reach im hand. My people, more na listen to una past president good luck Jonathan for this matter.
Luckily, you said that you've been seeing me every day. You will see me every hour from now. You know, I've been involved in a number of things in West Africa and in Africa. In fact, tomorrow I'm going to Kenya. On the 14th, I will be in Liberia for the rerun elections. That is what we've been doing. So I'm like a roving ambassador, seeing how we can bring peace to the sub-region, to the continent, and indeed, our country. This happened actually, it's almost like a week ago, but we couldn't. And today, it now coincided with the judgment of the Supreme Court yesterday. So it was an opportunity for me to also to congratulate Mr. President. And we talked a lot about the country. And so you'll soon see me, because there are certain things we discuss, and the country must move forward. And elections are over, so we must move forward.
So with the success of the decision, how do you see Nigeria leading Africa?
Yes, that is what all Africans are saying. I had the program, my foundation had what we call Democracy Dialogue, and Professor Lumumba spoke. And he emphasized the need for Nigeria to take a lead in Africa. Because, yes, we have challenges economically now, but we still have what it takes to lead. And these are some of the issues I will continue to have a conversation with Mr. President, including briefing him on all my foreign programs, because they are not personal issues. As traditionally, if former presidents go outside the country for this continental, regional program, even some international, you come home and you tell your president. So that's the tradition. So most of the time when you see me here, it's because of this thing that we must do. And to move Nigeria forward, to move ECOWAS forward, to move the African continent forward.
Your Excellency, with the current state of...
That's what exactly I've been saying, because we need to bring everybody, all our political leaders, including all the former presidents, together. We will not be fighting. If we fight, like you know this common saying that when two elephants fight, the grass suffer. If top leaders continue fighting, they will not suffer that much. But the downtrodden suffer, and we want to end all this tension and so on. So we move forward as a nation.
Yes, so my people, when I always say Nigeria former president talk, hey, good Lord Jonathan, he don't talk, not this man a man of peace. He don't talk though. But those who hear me they hear oh. He say when they call, when they congratulate Nigeria na one country, we need to move on. Anyway, when people are visiting so too, we are visiting and see them. People are dropping a comment on the comment section, and people don't forget to like and share. I beg, we can share this video and do it. See you in our next video.
DJ